Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to turn off blue ticket on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you go to your WhatsApp apps. Tap on your WhatsApp. You can select any contact number. You can see that your message on delivery another person. Now go back, tap on your profile icon. You can see that any more option. Tap on privacy. Scroll down little bit. You can see here read receipts. Turn off your read receipts option. Tap on this. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.